Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Let's take a look at the headlines first. 9 more candidates withdraw on last day of withdrawal. Congress to fight 9 rebel candidates. BJP to fight 1. Battlefield ready for elections. 3 corner fights in 27 constituencies. Straight fights in 13 and rebel in 15. Family politics is a custom of Goa, says Churchill Alamau. Family Raj on from Bandotkar's regime. Seeks clarification from BJP on MOI issue. Goan cricketers get set for 50 over mode. Coach Vivek Koramkar says we want to win Subbiah Pillai Trophy. All eyes will be on fit against Shadab Jugati and Sagam Kamath. And can Kalush Pereira do what Manuel Gomes could not? Only time will tell. Churchill brothers bank on Pereira and Subhash Bomik for strong finish to the season. And now the news in detail. A total of 9 candidates withdrew on the last day of withdrawal. Major withdrawals include Paresh Bhende from Kutsore, Daya Pagi from Kankona, Armin Braganza from Mapsa and Khemro Sawant from Sankalim. With these withdrawals, Congress is left with 9 rebels and BJP with 1.
स्क्रुटिनी जावन जे भायर पडलेले ताजे उपरांत आज विड्रॉवल केला ते फक्त 40 कॅन्डिडेटांनी विड्रॉ केला. Only 40.
Thursday was the last day to withdraw nominations. Many have withdrawn their nominations. Khemlo Sawant withdrew his nomination as an independent candidate from Sakli. He has forwarded his support to the BJP in Sakli.
विड्रॉ केला आणि हायेन म्हाजो सपोर्ट आहा तो BJPच्या कॅन्डिडेटाक म्हाजो सपोर्ट आहा न्ही. कारण जर गोंयान BJPचें राज्य येयल्यार एक म्हणटा तो गोवा म्हणटा तो एक सुखी आनी म्हणटा तो बरो हेतून चलतलो.
Paresh Bhende has also withdrawn his nomination from Kursode constituency. He says he will not participate in this election.
पण अशें दिसून आयलें फाटले 3-4 दिसांनी की खूब लेट जाल्लो आसा आनी उरलेल्या 15 दिसान आमी ही फूल कुर्चडे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी कवर अप करपाक शकनात आमगेले इश्यूज घेवन.
One of the aspirants and former senior NCP leader, Armin Braganza, withdrew his candidature from Mapsa. He has forwarded his support to the NCP candidate Ashish Shirodkar. Daya Pagi withdrew his nomination on the last day of withdrawal on Thursday. Pagi has not decided whom to support. He refused to speak to media. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The list of candidates in 40 constituencies is cleared. There are 3 corner fights in around 27 of the constituencies and straight fights in 13. There are chances that rebels may create upsets in 15 of the constituencies. Here is a list of the top 3 contenders in each constituency.
Mandre, total 6. Congress NCP Dayanand Sopte, BJP MGP Lakshmikant Parsekar, TMC Samir Salgaonkar. Pedne 9. Congress NCP Babu Asgaonkar, BJP MGP Rajendra Arlekar. Bicholi, total 4. Congress NCP Rajesh Patnekar, BJP MGP Manohar Shirodkar, Independent Naresh Saward. Thivi, total 5. Congress NCP Nilkant Halankar, BJP MGP Kiran Kanolkar. Mapsa, total 3. Congress NCP Ashish Shirodkar, BJP MGP Francisco D'Souza. Sholi, total 6. Congress NCP Uday Paliyekar, BJP MGP Dayanand Mandrekar. Saligaon, total 10. Congress NCP Suresh Parolekar, BJP MGP Dilip Parolekar, Independent Tulio D'Souza. Kalangut, total 4. Congress NCP Agnello Fernandez, BJP MGP Michael Lobo. Porvorim 5. Congress NCP Fermina Khaunte, BJP MGP Govind Parvatkar, Independent Rohan Khaunte. Aldona, total 5. Congress NCP Dayanand Narvekar, BJP MGP Glenn Tiklo, TMC Dr. Wilfred D'Souza. Panji, Congress NCP Yatin Parekh, BJP MGP Manohar Parikar. Talegaon, Congress NCP Jennifer Monserrat, BJP MGP Dattaprasad Naik. Santa Cruz, Congress NCP Babush Monserrat, BJP MGP Dinar Tarkar. Santa Andre, Congress NCP Francisco Silveira, BJP MGP Vishnu Surya Wagh. Kumbarzwe, Congress NCP Pandurang Madkekar, Independent Nirmala Sawant. Kankon, total 3. Congress NCP Isidore Fernandez, BJP MGP Ramesh Tawardkar, and TMC Sapnesh Desai. My total 5. Congress NCP Rudresh Sodankar, BJP MGP Anant Sheth, Independent Praveen Zatie. Sakli total 2. Congress NCP Pratap Gawas, BJP MGP Dr. Pramod Sawant. Pariye total 2. Congress NCP Pratap Singh Rane, BJP MGP Vishwajit K. Rane. Walpoi total 5. Congress NCP Vishwajit Rane, BJP MGP Satya Vijay Naik, Independent Bandhu Desai. Priol total 5. Congress NCP Dhaku Markaikar, BJP MGP Deepak Dhawlikar, Independent Govind Gaude. Ponda 7. Congress NCP Ravi Naik, BJP MGP Lau Mamledar, UGDP Gitesh Naik. Shiroda total 5. Congress NCP Subhash Shirodkar, BJP MGP Mahadev Naik, Independent Vishwas Prabhudesai. Markai total 2. Congress NCP Ritesh Naik, BJP MGP Sudin Dhawlikar. Mormugaon Congress NCP Sankalp Amonkar, BJP MGP Milind Naik, Independent Nazir Khan. Vasco Congress NCP Jose Philip D'Souza, BJP MGP Carlos Almeida, Independent Carl Vaz. Daboli Congress NCP Movin Gudino, BJP MGP Premanand Nanoskar, TMC Pratap Mardolkar. Kothade Congress NCP Caetano Xavier, BJP MGP Mathani Saldana, UGDP GVP Ramakant Borkar. Nuve total 6. Congress NCP Alexio Sequeira, BJP MGP Prabhakar Gaude, GVP Miki Pacheco. Kurtori 5. Congress NCP Alexio Reginaldo, Independent Dominic Gaonkar, UGDP Kosesau Dias. Fatoda 8. Congress NCP MK Sheikh, BJP MGP Damu Naik, Independent Vijay Sardesai. Madgaon total 5. Congress NCP Digambar Kamath, BJP MGP Rupesh Mahatme, TMC Savio Coutinho. Benauli 7. Congress NCP Walanka Alemao, GVP Caetano De Silva, TMC John Fernandez. Naveli 5. Congress NCP Churchill Alemao, Independent Avertano Furtado, JDU Jose Paul Coutinho. Kukoli 8. Congress NCP Joki Alemao, GVP Subhash Naik, TMC Brani Fernandez. Veli 4. Congress NCP Philip Neri Rodrigues, Independent Benjamin De Silva, and JDU Michael Benny De Costa. Kepe 5. Congress NCP Babu Kavlekar, BJP MGP Prakash Arjun Velip, Independent Prakash Shankar Velip. Kurchode 2. Congress NCP Sham Satardekar, BJP MGP Nilesh Kabral. Sawade 5. Congress NCP Govind Sawant, BJP MGP Ganesh Gaonkar, Independent Arjun Salgaonkar. And Sange 7. Congress NCP Yuri Alemao, BJP MGP Subhash Fardesai, GVP Miguelino De Costa. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's now time for a short break. Stay tuned.